77 Red Clay Tower. Well, I'll tell you what, good to hear you got a good meal over there. And you're going to sit out here for a spell and let things settle. Hey, 77 radio station, motor mouth mall, this mobile. Step it. Hello to you. Oh, 77, if you've got a swappy copy. 77, Motor Mouth Mall, working this mobile right here, right now. I got down. Get back on 77 Red Clay Tower, radio station, Motor Mouth Mall, working this mobile right here, right now. That's all right, man. Good. All right, man. Just gonna holler at you. I'll study in and listen again to your whole few games. I want to pair earlier. I don't know. There's trouble with one down by down there, or yesterday. I don't know if the code just right or you code, whatever the thing does. Clean. I can run it fairly clean now. Hey, look at the mobile waving. I think I hear 131 Mustangs backscatter. Can you believe I hear 131 Mustangs backscatter right there, right now? Doing some backscattering. Motor Mouth Mall, working this mobile. One fat watt at a time. I got down. I know exactly how you time to time, every so often, you know, his head swells up a little bit, and he gets to thinking he's all that. So we just got to let him know what's going on. Hey, Forrest Gump, radio station, Motor Mouth Mall, working this great big ugly Jeep right here, right now. I cut down.
Conditions either.
Well, if you did about some more power, if you did have a condition, I'd say there was a problem.
Who we got out there? Who
Golf, unit 248, listening.
I believe you said 248, is that right?
Trying to get through all the full traffic. I don't know if my little pop-down radio station is working. Broadcasting live with 50 watts of carrier power. Roger on to keep him going. Well, you know, it's kind of rough and tough out there. I can keep going, but I'll get it all over. Hello. 240. On channel 28 on your CB dial, and I'm standing by.
I'm on at 445, tree climber waving right back.
Hello out there, tree climber. I hear a bunch of noise out there, but I couldn't get nobody in my radio. 10-4?
Hey, 10-4, I've been hearing you all day, man. You sound good. You always do.
All right, tree climber, you sound good when you key up out there. Hey, you keep some of them flowers for yourself out there, tree climber, 445. Wishing you a good rest of your weekend, 10-4.
Hey, 10-4, right back to you. Weekend too, and the pleasure is always on this end. The tree climber, California West Side. I'm going up to you.
Amber down. Hey, radio down. 445. Radio station, motor mouth mall. Working the smoke bill. One fat one at a time. I got down.
All right, motor mouth mall. Are you working that station one fat one at a time? We doing the same back here, man. We trying to get these all these birds in line and make some bees.
Hey, 445, did you get that fully in?
Birds to make the bees.
Not yet, number 9.
Cool radio. 10-4. Working that station one fat one at a time. Radio station, motor mouth mall. Working a straight big old ugly Jeep. Right here, right now. I got down.
All right, motor mouth mall. Have a good rest of your evening out there at 445. We'll put the broken spoke on you later, 10-4.
410 sounds good there. 445 radio man. Enjoy your remainder of your Sunday evening as well. We will catch you a little bit later on. 445 radio man. Motor mouth mall. We're going to squeaky mobile. Right here, right now. I got down.
All right, motor mouth mall. I was going to tell you, I was looking at them photographs Jelly Belly put up there. You got a little gray in that beard, 10-4.
10-4 sounds good. We've been looking forward to hearing that. Hey, it sounded real good there. A radio man 445, I'll say 73s, and pleasure with the double measure. Motor mouth mall working this mobile, 77 roundabout. I heard you too, I did. While you're rolling up in here with some big audio. Let me tell you, Motor mouth mall, your West Military modulator east, working this ugly G, getting on down.
All right, motor mouth mall. Hey, number 9, when you key up in there at 445, says, what you doing on that end out there, number 9?
Hey, 445, I'm just running this barefoot 2995. It ain't ever been pieced or tuned or nothing. I got it from a friend of mine, 109, who lived a little bit farther south than me. He was an older gentleman. He passed away a while back, so I picked it up from him.
Oh, 10-4. Well, it sounds real good. I got this gate rolling back here. You'll be up proud how it sounds, 10-4.
key up and say hello and find out what's going on with that, with your beam back there. But I'm sure they'll get it together soon. I don't know, would you run into some trouble there?
Well, I got one pulling in. It's a little too large. I got another one coming. I hope it's just right.
Yeah, 10-4. I know there's a space issue on those things, as there always is, but you'll get it all figured out. You'll be back up and spinning it around in no time.
You're being kind of finicky right about this, 10.
Yeah, 10-4. One of the problems was I forgot I'm supposed to turn that thing to the east when I lower it and raise it, and I messed up and had it to the west, and the boom runs into the pulley, and I kind of cranked on it too hard, and that's what broke it.
Okay, yeah, 10-4 on that. Yeah, that'll do it. But yeah, live and learn. It's they only work one way, I guess. But
Well, it'll work both ways, but it only works one way correctly, 10-4.
North put it in my place up there and put that 4-ohm and Joe gun on it. But maybe I'll get some use out of it.
10-4. Yeah, it's been a while since I raised this thing, lowered it and raised it, and I kind of forgot.
Yeah, 410 on that. But I forget the reason why he was dropping it, but I know there was a reason behind it.
Well, I was going to change rotors, my rotors, the brake is broke on it, and I can't hold my beam in one place, 10-4.
Oh, roger that. Yeah, I remember.
Hey, good evening, time. DX Land. Ratchet 27 of the James boys on the west side, and I'm waving.
I'm sure if the weather's permitting back there, you'll have it done in short order.
Bi-directional beam, that break.
Yeah, it's a directional right now, Motor Mouth.
Oh, Shaggy Dog. I think I heard Shaggy Dog. Ratchet.
Hey, I done found out it works pretty good at 35 feet, though.
5 Radio Man, Motor Mouth Mall, working the city bitty Jeep right here, right now. I got down.
All right, Motor Mouth. I said I done found out it works pretty good at 35 feet, 10-4.
27 on the west side.
Put it at 70 feet.
Been in my radio louder than before. I don't know how that works. All I know is since you've been down at 35 feet, I've heard you louder in this doggone mobile the last few days. You've been...
Hey, good evening to you. Truck in the Bluegrass, number 9, Northern Cal, with the wave is gone.
Uh-oh, my buddy Truck's trying to cover me up. Let me get out of here and let you say hi to everybody. 445, we back quiet.
Hey, no strain, no pain there, 445. Have a good evening, and we'll put it on you later, 445, number 9.
Hey, good evening, time. 445. Good evening, time. 445. Ratchet 27 of the James boys waving.
Loud mall.
All right, 27 of the James boys, 445 waving. I'm going to get out of the way for old Truck CB. That's my technician. I'm going to get out the way.
This west coast and the modulated beast in the mobile. Stepping right there, break.
And their break. 445, Unit 248, San Francisco. Unit 248, San Francisco, try and break.
Hey, 248, I think I heard you a while ago. 248, San Francisco, 445 waving.
Hey, Roger, there, 445. I heard you talking to number 9. He's one of my locals out there. I just wanted to send a wave out your way. Hope I can weasel my way onto your water gate. 445, sounding good in downtown San Francisco. Unit 248 with the wave.
Okay, 248, definitely got on my video gate. Hey, 248 around San Fran. Have a good one out there, one of my favorite cities to visit. 445 waving, bye-bye.
All right, 445. Thank you, sir. Listen up and tough on my... 445, Unit 248, one more wave.
I'll tell you what.
Yeah, I think you got those 22290s working good on that test mode. You got those 22290s working real good on that test mode. Ratchet 27 of the James boys on the west side.